I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode number 91, and we're going to be talking today about the opinion of title. When you are buying a home, your attorney and their team will do research on your deed and give an opinion of title. This is a very important part of the process. It ensures that the sale can move forward because the piece of land that the buyer is offering is clear of any issues with ownership. Items that may come up and may need clarifications are liens on the property, heirs that never signed off on a previous sale, easements, and encroachments. There are other issues that the title company may want to know more about and will work through before ensuring the closing of the deal. There's more information in episode 61, and next week we're going to talk directly about the title insurance company. If you like these videos, you can check out my past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. I'm also on popular social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.